Okay, so I was looking under the truck seat for the bolt, and I'm looking under, and I find,
Oh, this is mine.
and like a Samsung phone, and it's the guy's. I find this blue phone fully charged. It's on now.
Yeah, so where was it?
It was like right under the seat right here. Right under the
Crazy. Well, it's like 88%, but I don't know. This is obviously the previous owner's phone. The truck was in for like 3 years. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens.
I mean, you probably had to like have a passport or something.
What bolt are you trying to take out?
The bolt, that's the bolt. It's stuck in there. I can't take it out. Here, which other one on the other side?
We said that he was trying to take off the top seat, the top parts and the seats and everything. And he's trying to take off the bolts. So, but they're really, really, really in there and they're really tight. So,
In the old phone.
yeah, they're old.
Yeah, those coming out more.
Oh, he said it's coming out more. Oh yeah, he got this
I
side.
got those shit. I think they go. Take out this.
Wait, let me see. Here it is. Yeah. There it is. It was stuck in there.
I'm pretty sure this carburetor sucks. It's bad.
Yeah.
We're just going to test it out. We still need to change this belt. I don't know what the guy did, but he did a lot of Mickey Mouse shit. Like a lot of dumb stuff. Look at all this. Screws and a freaking, like a bunch of shit.
On the other side, he literally had to cut all this because it was stuck. Because when he had to cut the exhaust on everything.
All right, so I just finished installing the
Alright.
5-inch rear drop kit. So now we're gonna see how it looks. All right, buddy. All the way down. Poop. That's all the way.
Yeah.
Try pulling the jack.
Yes.
Just pull it. Pull it. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Look at that. It used to be like that, but I think a little higher. Now it's like,
Damn.
yeah. This is how it looks from the bottom with the kit. I still gotta torque them. We're just tired right today, Sunday. That's all. I think we're done for today, right, buddy?
Yeah.